Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marina and today's video is my nighttime cleaning routine. I try to do this every night so I wake up to a clean house. So I started off by clearing the table from tonight's dinner, and now I'm going to wipe it down with just some hot water and my microfiber cloth because I will be trying a new spray in just a minute.
Driving somewhere in your car, we can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars, baby, oh yeah.
So I got this package from Grove Collaborative yesterday and I did peek inside, but I wanted to wait and use the products in front of you so I can let you know how I like them. But everything that I take out of this box, I paid less than $24. They have a special promotion where if you spend $20 or less, you can get some free items, so I will leave their link down below if you are interested. And now heading into the kitchen, I'm going to clear the counters so I can make room for my dish rack so I can start washing the dishes.
We can do what we like, baby, while we're
After dinner, I did make some chocolate chip cookies, so I'm just going to put these away for the next day. And this tray that I'm putting down, I also got from Grove Collaborative. And the sprays that I got from them is honeysuckle.
I was standing outside, waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, but my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat, keep on moving to the drums now. Away.
I'm going to clean my sink with this Bond powder from Grove, and I love how clean I left my sink.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. You in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you and
So I like to hand dry my dishes after I wash them, so I won't have to worry about putting them away in the morning.
without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you and
Once I am done putting all the dishes away, I will spray all the counters with the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle spray.
not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you and
I walk in shadows, no one ever sees me, sees me. I'm losing every battle, can somebody save me, save me? I never know which way I'm supposed to go, all I do is stare out my window. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through, I feel like a shadow.
For the oven top, I will be using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser in lemongrass.
I just wanna know, am I insane, insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go, all I do is stare out the window. I just wanna know, am I insane? I sit in silence, nobody can hear me, not even when I'm crying. I need someone to save me.
Once I am done cleaning the kitchen, I like to take out either the trash or recycle.
I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through, I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane, insane? I just wanna know, am I insane, insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just
I usually like to clean my table with the Method wood cleaner, but I ran out, so I ended up using the honeysuckle scent and it did just as good. The living room wasn't too bad. I just had to pick up a few items and wipe down the coffee table, but that is pretty much it. I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation. Please give it a thumbs up if it did. Thank you, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.
Can you hear me? Hear me? I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I just wanna know, am I insane? Insane. I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, am I insane?
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her.